Hello, and welcome to this quick tour of Dx4 from DitaExchange. Dx4 is an app for SharePoint that enables powerful structured authoring features in any web browser. Here we can see that this Dx4 site is organized into a few logical libraries. First is the Maps library. A map is like the skeleton for your document. It organizes topics in a way that allows you to create different deliverables such as PDF, HTML, and even customizable XML and JSON. Next, we have the topics library. If a map is our skeleton, the topics contain the meat of our content. A topic consists of a title, one or more paragraphs of text, tables, images, and so on. Finally, we have the publications library, where our finished deliverables are available. So let's take a look at an existing map in our tool we call Dx Navigator. First, we navigate to the Maps library. You can see all of our maps are here organized by this piece of metadata we call product name. We're going to take a look at one of the garage maps today, and I'll use version 1.0 of our Word garage map. This is Dx Navigator, a web-based tool for working with your content. Dx Navigator is the primary hub you use to interact with your maps and your topics. From here, you can do things like adding a new topic, heading, or even another map reference to your existing map. You can rearrange your topics with a drag and drop interface. You can manage map and topic metadata by editing the properties. And you can also manage the approval status of both your map and your topics using this Approve button. And we can actually see over here in the tree structure that most of these topics have actually already been approved, and that's denoted by this green checkmark icon. One important thing to mention here is that Dx4 and SharePoint support many concurrent users with no change in performance. Both in Dx Navigator and if you're using the latest version of Microsoft Word, you can also have multiple users working in the same topic simultaneously. From Dx Navigator, we can also open our topics for editing. While Dx4 has full support for Dita topics, today we'll be looking at using Microsoft Word as our authoring tool. One of the big advantages of this is that it eliminates the need to train your authors to use a specialized XML authoring tool. So this is what one of our Word topics looks like. As you can see, there's nothing to learn at all. Authors are already familiar with Word. They can simply start typing with full support for commenting, track changes, tables, images, and so on. Finally, let's take a look at publishing. So if I can launch our publishing interface, the Dx4 publishing engine empowers business users to design their own fully branded deliverables, no developer required. You can use nothing more than a Microsoft Word document template to add cover images, change font sizes and colors, and add custom front matter, headers, footers, and more, all within a familiar interface. I can choose from a wide range of customizable publishing templates, choose which elements I want to include, give my publication a title, and select advanced options such as a PDF or a number of other interesting features. Once our publication is complete, we can head on over to the Publications library and check out our result. This one is called Hello World. And you can see we have our branded output here. This is an easily replaceable logo. Our title from our map has been populated on our front page, and there's a number of opportunities to include metadata from the map in the publication itself. So that's about it. In conclusion, thank you very much for watching today, and please visit our blog at blog.ditaexchange.com and follow DitaExchange on Twitter to get all the latest news and more information.